So if you're looking for a small, compact compost trash can bin that you can put whether it's in your kitchen, your bathroom, or your bedroom, and you love the stainless steel look, this is worth looking at. So in this review, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you everything it comes with. I'm going to show you how to use it, and then we're going to go over all the features of this trash can. So this is a 7-liter model. You can get this in different sizes. Now the whole body is stainless steel, which is the body and the top. This is actually the black, and it's offset with the silver color up here on the top, which I like. It makes it kind of cool looking. And I'm just going to go ahead and just kind of spin this around just so you can kind of see what it looks like. And I like this feature right here, and we'll get into that in just a moment. Also on the bottom side here, we do have some feet. So that way if you're moving around, just like I am on this wood surface, it's not going to scratch anything. So to open up the bin, we're just going to lift up this tab, and you'll notice right away we have a little compartment here. This is actually a deodorizer compartment, and it does come with a carbon filter here that you can put in there. Now to take that out, all you're going to do is just kind of pop it open like that. You're going to take this filter, put it in there just like that, and then just snap it shut. So now the other way that you can open it is you kind of close it, pull it out to the side, and now you can go ahead and lift your bin out. Now with that secondary bin out, you can go ahead and see what it looks like a little bit better inside here. Now this bin here is actually plastic. We've got holes on each side, so that way as you put your trash bags inside here, you can take any extra material, you're going to tuck it inside here and make it look nice and neat. So you can see here I've got the trash bags kind of tucked in there, so it's just nice and neat and tight. And EKO does provide 30 trash bags. So I do appreciate the brand sending this to me so I could go ahead and show you all the features. And this is one that I had mentioned earlier. This right here with these 2 attachments allows you, if you want to, you can hang it on a cabinet door, inside a cabinet, maybe up against a wall. So this first attachment right here, this has a liner right here. You're going to peel that off, and it has adhesive. And we've got 2 clips right here. So what the clips do is they are just like that. And this side here is going to be what's up. It's going to be maybe up against a wall or a cabinet too. Now we have another attachment that allows you, if you want to, you can put it on a cabinet drawer or a door. So the way that works, you're just going to slide it in there, and you can go ahead and hang that on the drawer and door. So what I've done, I've just hung this on my drawer just to kind of give you an idea of the way it's going to look. Now my countertop hangs over a little bit, so if I was going to have this open a little bit, that's pretty good. But if I wanted some more room, now I can go ahead and open it like that. Now, as my wife or I are cooking, we can take any trash, any food, and we can just stick it in there without a problem whatsoever. And of course, this is a compost bin too, so if you do compost, this works out fantastic. Now, if I'm working by the sink too, this fits really good on my cabinet door. Again, I could go ahead and open it up clearly like this, or lift it open. Overall, it's a really nice trash can. It does have quite a few options, whether you want to lift it like that, put it over. It also has this deodorizer area right here. Comes with a couple of different attachments, and they even give you some trash bags to start out with. Hope you found this review helpful.